very patiently waiting for it to arrive, and I wanted to make sure that when I actually open it, that I record the process of opening it and my expressions. I have been very excited for the products because I'm expecting that they will change my level of well-being. By that I mean I am diagnosed with a whole bunch of illnesses, and the products that are in this box will help me. Now, as of course you will be part of this entire process from beginning to end, and also I will be recording videos on some of my physical and mental and emotional changes that I undergo as I'm experiencing the products. Let's see. This is, oh, it's another big box. I thought maybe it would come in, oh, here, GIA guards. I am so interested in using these. Radiation protection perfected. Since I have learned about the issues that all our wireless surroundings, the electromagnetic smog is doing to us, harming us with, I've been wanting to very much use these products. Let's see what is in here. I know it's not the water system, because that is in that box. But what is in here? Oh, oops. Okay, what is this? Edge. Recover naturally from stress and muscle fatigue. Okay. Radiant Reveal Hydra Exfoliator. Okay, well, I'm not going to read all of that, but I can see where there's an interesting word, hydra, and not hydro. Let's see, here are some pamphlets. Oh, good. For when I go to the market, I can have a couple of pamphlets and more guard protectors. Wonderful. Oh, here's a pendant. I'm waiting for this as well. We're getting into the box. But I don't know why that is. Oh, here it is. But it's the first thing I noticed is that the technology within the GIA pendant lasts a lifetime. Oh my goodness. That is exciting. Okay. I'm hoping for another 20 some years, so this will be good. Okay. Oh yeah, I should show you what I saw. So it's very protected. It's in there. And, ouch, a chain comes with it. Here now, let's just use a pair of scissors. Let's see what's in here. Hydra Surge Radiance Fluid. Okay. Activated oil-free hydrating moisturizer. Moisturizing is important. And, okay, maybe do I need to take this off? Or can I read it with it on? Let's see. Just going to take this plastic off. Hydra Surge Radiance Serum, activated nourishing oil. I hope I read that right. The letters are very small. This one is better. Let's take a look at these GIA guards. Oh, make sure the surface on the back of your device is clean. Ah, see, it's this little black GIA cell guard. It's a cell guard. Oh, comes in a big box. There's one. Oh, there is two. Oh, this one seems to have an extra one. I think this is an extra one. Okay. There's some information in here that I'm going to read. And here was another one. And I can see how at the top it's marked silver. I wonder what that means. So silver. Here we go. Here's another one. Okay. Now, this is so important. Now I'm going to put these up here. Hopefully that one doesn't fall. I need to take it out of its plastic cover. Trying to make sure not to cut my finger this time. Yesterday I was putting up a green sheet for better ways of having a background when I do my videos, and I literally cut my finger. But okay, here we go. Let's see. A lot of bubble wrap, so it will come. It's coming very protected, and some information, a guide to optimal hydration. GIA Wellness. Well, we don't know yet what that is. GIA Thrive. Oh, that's heavy. I've heard lots of good things about this. And what is in here? We don't know. It doesn't have anything on it. And this is probably the filter or something. And to check out what's in this box here. Oh. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Single file aligned, which is so important to know about this water. And this is made of glass, because when I watched some of the videos, I heard how important it is to use glass as opposed to plastic. I will be telling you more about that as time goes on. All right, so here is, oh my goodness, what is all in here? This is the container, which we wash gently. I don't remember the actual how to, but I do remember gently. And what are these? Oh, hydrating mist. Okay, so you're going to put water in here and spray it. Oh, there's another one. And 5 to 8 times on bare skin for optimal skin hydration. All right, so 3 different sizes we have here. That is wonderful. I'm already thinking of who I can share one of them with. And so GIA vitamins and antioxidants, a dietary supplement. Okay. Wow. And now what is in here? I might need another pair of scissors. Now, while I'm opening this, I'll just say I am very, very interested in health and wellness. Oh. And I see these are the chargers. And this. And I've been doing a fair bit of studying, and we'll have some more very interesting information to present to you as time goes on. All right, so here is the guide that I will be briefly reading to you. Okay, the i-H2O activation system setup instructions. So there are instructions, and it says carefully read the instructions before using the product. Now, normally I'm not very interested in reading all the instructions and following them, you know, just like to get going on stuff, but I will definitely be doing that. It's very important information, and because it has to do with water, it's very important to our health. Let's see. Okay, and there is a return policy. Well, I hope I will not be returning it. Let's see. So we're going to learn about what is i-H2O, what are the benefits, benefits continued, single file alignment breakdown. Now I've been watching some amazing videos, so this is really important, and the timeline, and why does cellular absorption matter, right? I mean, it all starts in the cell. Who would have thought that? But because of the studies and the YouTube videos I've watched and some of the reading I've done, I get that now. Don't just take our word for it. So there are some testimonies and some questions and answers. Okay, and the possibilities are endless. Drink daily, spray face, spray throughout and after skincare routine. Oh, submerge flowers and water plants, spray fruits and vegetables, mix with iThrive and cleanse, spray cuts and burns. Hey, I have this, like I said to you in the other video, cut myself with the scissors. I will be using this on my cut. And it add essential oils to i-H2O in a spray bottle and spray it all over your face and body. Spray your hair when you want to restyle it. Oh, that's cool. My hair gives me lots of trouble. All right, and this is the end. Water can and should do more for you. And yes, so we will, as I said, I will be making some more videos and present more in-depth experiences and instructions as I move forward. Thanks for watching.